YouTube, this is Ozzy from JIY Productions, and I'm bringing you an unboxing video of the BT-4 G36 Elite Paintball Marker. I'd like to give a big shout out to A&S Gear. That's where I ordered this gun off of. It's a good site. I'd like to give a shout out to BT Empire for making this gun. Got some stickers here. Comes in a nice cardboard case. I guess it comes in multiple parts to put it together. Let's see here. You got your shroud. Has 3 Picatinny rails on each side and the bottom, and a little one for the top. Let's see. You have the body. Alright. You have some Allen keys, a little bit of O-ring, or one O-ring. Let's see.
That's the rip clip.
You got the sound activated rip clip that goes on the side here. We'll put that on later. You have the front grip. You got the hopper. You got the top rail here. Alright. It also comes with a barrel bag or barrel sleeve. It's got an apex barrel to increase your shots. It's got a manual for DVD. It's got also a manual on paper that shows you how to put the gun together. I think it'll be really nice. The trigger feels good. I like the feel of everything about it, really. Foldable stock. Alright, now I'd like to give one more shout out to A&S Gear.